Hi Drastic Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Billie Eilish logo. So let's get started. To draw this logo, let's first start by drawing the head, which is basically just a circle. So I'm just going to use this circle template just to make it a little bit easier. So just draw a circle right there for the head. And then we're going to start to draw the body underneath it. So let's come from under this head and we're going to draw an angle line that goes right under it. So I'm just going to use this as my guide. The circle I've drawn, I'm going to come straight down. So right underneath this circle, I'm just going to go ahead and tentatively put in an angle line. From there, let's bring this out a tiny bit more. Just going to bring it out a little bit more. From there, let's go ahead and find where the armpits would be. So I'm going to come down using this as my guide and say about right in this area of this circle. I'm going to come straight down and say about right there. I'll just give myself a point, approximate. And then from there, this would be where the armpits would be. So I'm going to come right here and draw a straight line down. Then from there, let's come and bring this out a little bit more. And so then I need to find where the other armpit would be. So I'm going to use this as my guide now that I have this, and I'm going to go right across. So basically following this same angle. So I'm going to go right across. So say about right here. And then from there, we're going to draw another straight line down. Then from there, now we have the base in. Now it's a little bit easier to draw where the shoulders are going to go. And so let's bring this down a little bit more. So this is going to be straight down. So just remember, we're doing this freehand, so lines and things or proportions might not be exactly, but we just want to get this figure in, right? So from there, let's bring this down. Let's work on the shoulder. So I'm going to come and bring a curve down, about that much. And I'm going to come straight down once again. So then on this side, we're going to come once again. So you're about using the same thickness right here. Come up. And about right here, I'm going to round it in. And come down. So then in this area, I need to create this little space. And come down. So I'm more concerned about this space I'm creating and not what's in here, because this part is going to be solid black. So from there, let's say about right here. I'm just going to eyeball area right here. So in this, right in the center, let's give myself a point. And this is where the legs are going to start. So once again, we need to create this little space right in between. And then bring this down more. Almost there. So if you need a ruler at home, definitely get one. Just using my camera here as my guide. So let's slowly bring this down. Okay, so now that we know where the legs start, we kind of know where the arms should go. So the arms would go kind of in the same area right here. So now I know where to bring, how far to bring this arm down. So I'm going to once again create this little space, little gap, and about right there, I'm going to bring in this arm and round it off. So then this hand, now we can figure it out because we're just going to go once again at the same angle. So say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. So once again, just going to round it off just like the other side. There. Okay, so then now for the legs. One is much longer than the other, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. So let's work on this side first. Say about right there. I'll bring it in, round it off, just like the arms. And now this leg. So it's gonna be a little bit shorter. So I'll say about right there and I'll round it off. There, finally done. Okay, so then I'm just gonna go in and color it solid black and then make any adjustments I need to do. So they're basically all done, but the reason I have a whiteout pen here is because after I filled it in, I realized that this corner right here, looking at the original logo, is a little too sharp. So what I should have done is not come back in here and muddled it up. I should have kept it the way it was and just nice round shoulder right here. So definitely, if you're at home, definitely use a pencil first before you go in with a Sharpie. And so this shoulder here should be rounded off. So there, that's pretty much it for this Billie Eilish logo, and I hope I didn't overcomplicate things and I made it easy for you to follow along. And like I said, it looks simple enough, this logo, but in order to get a little bit more accurate, my goal was to just find these 2 points first, where the armpits and where the legs began. And by finding those 3 points, it just makes it a little bit easier to find out how long and where to put the arms and the legs. So I hope hopefully that was a good tip to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.